You need to watch this if you struggle with making extra income. What if I told you there's a way to turn just 2 hours a day into a full-time income? Hi, I'm Karen, a single mom of two. I was desperate for a side hustle that actually worked. Then I discovered the Launchpad program. Step 1, get started. Go to the link in the comments and check out the different programs we have to get your online business up and running. Purchase a digital product that fits your goals and get instant access to training and a supportive community. Step 2, start growing. We teach you how to post ads for free and create social media content that drives traffic to your automated system. Step 3, get paid. Watch the money roll in from the comfort of your home. Imagine working just 2 hours a day and making a full-time income. More freedom, more time with family, and the ability to work from anywhere. Sounds amazing, right? Join our program and start your journey to financial freedom today. Visit our website today.